How to hide profile picture on Facebook. Launch the Facebook application on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your Facebook account. Tap on three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. Choose the profile at the top of the screen. And on this profile feed, select your profile at the top left corner of the screen. Among this option, select See Profile Picture. Tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen. On this drop-down box, select Edit Privacy, and among these options, select Only Me. Once you have done that, only your profile picture will be visible to you. That's it. That's how we hide profile picture on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.